Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. Viewers, please subscribe my channel Jobs in Telugu States and please click on bell icon for getting more question paper in future. Today I am going to upload one more question paper, Library Information Science question paper. This is a post for the post of Librarian, Atomic Energy Educational Society AEES, Librarian for schools for schools AES schools librarian position. This is examination is conducted in the year 2018. So friends, I uploaded so many question paper through my channel. I already uploaded approximately 15 question paper. This is I think 16th question paper. So those who are not seen that question paper, please go through my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Please share your any professional groups or telegram, whatever. Okay. In this question paper, 50 questions covered, so I will explain all questions and answers. Okay friends, the first question: libraries as a gateways to knowledge. It is the title document of libraries as gateways of knowledge. It is a title. This is one report given by National Knowledge Commission on Libraries 2017. That document name is Libraries as Gateways to the Knowledge. So this is a important question, friends. Question number 51. This important question, previous question, we have already seen so many examination earlier. So expected question also in future examinations. Libraries as gateways to knowledge is a report given by National Knowledge Commission on Libraries 2007. So question number 51. These library questions starting 51 onwards up to 100. So 51th question, C is the right answer. 2007 is. So question number 52. What is a Dublin core? It's a important and previous question. Dublin core everyone knows, metadata standard, fundamental question in library science. Dublin core consists of 15 elements. So Dublin core is a metadata standard. So out of 4 options, C is the right answer. For question number 52, C correct answer. Next question number 53. Mesh is a mesh, everyone knows mesh is a thesaurus. This is also previous question, important one. Mesh is a thesaurus. So out of 4 options given, thesaurus, dictionary, journals and library. So option A, thesaurus is the right answer. Next question number 54. Which networks in India provided first email services in the country? So many networks are in India. So which networks in India provide first email services in the country? Right answer is Delnet. So B is the correct answer, friends. Delnet. This is also earlier we seen Vikram Sarabhai Space Center examination, I think. But this is a previous question, expected question in future examinations also. Which networks in India provided the first email service? Means Delnet. Delnet is the correct answer. So 54 B correct option. Next question number 55. Third generation of computers used. So everyone knows 5 generation of computers. So always remind the 5 generations and recollect the 5 generations. Why? Because so many examinations asking first generation, second and third and fourth and fifth. So once again I repeat, here asking third generation means integrated circuits. 55 C is the right answer. But first generation vacuum tube, second generation transistors, for getting knowledge purpose I am explaining, and third generation integrated circuits, fourth generation is very large integrated circuits, fifth generation is artificial intelligence. So here question number 55 asking third generation, so right answer is integrated circuits. 55C is the right answer. Question number 56. In fund accounting, dash fund cannot be used for other purposes. So in fund accounting, dash fund is ante which fund is used, nor cannot be used for other, recurring fund cannot be used for other purposes. So A is the right option. 56th, thus underline one is the right answers, friend. Please find the right answers. uh, Underline which answer is underlined, that is the right answer. In fund accounting, which fund is cannot be used for other purposes, recurring. So 56 A correct option. Out of 4 options, A is the right one. Next question number 57. CCF, everyone knows, fundamental basic question, common communication format. So without options we can easily answer this question. Common communication format, CCF means. So 57th question, A correct answer. Out of 4 alternatives, A is the right one. Next question number 58. A big statement given. A library is a public institution or establishment charged with the care of collection of books, the duty of making them accessible to those who require the use of them, and the task of converting every person in his neighborhood into habitual library goers and readers of the books. Quoted by whom? This quotation is one quotation given by whom? Asking in this question. This is one statement or quotation given by whom? So 58th S.R. Ranganavan given this statement. So 58th is uh, never seen this question, so it's a difficult one. So we will expect future examinations. So S.R. Ranganathan, 58 A is the right answer. Next question number 59. API stands for. This is also IT related question, information and communication technology related question. API is application programming interface. API stands for application programming interface. Is important one. Previous question also. So out of 4 options, A right one, application programming interface. Next question number 60. Accession number means. It's an easy question. Uh, Important record in the library. This accession register asking question in other way. Which one is the important register in the library? Some examination this question asking in this way. So accession register is the important register in the library. So accession number, here asking accession number means unique number for a book inside a particular library. Unique number for a book inside a, when we are books purchasing, first we will provide accession number. So according to accession number, accession register, we will make it entry. And one more way question also asking, accession register how many columns? So 14 columns, friends. This is already asked in DRDO 2016 September examination. 14 columns in accession register. So 3 points covered. Accession number means a unique number for a book inside a particular library is accession number. Accession register is the important register in the library. Accession and accession register consists of 14 columns. Next question number 60B, right option. 61. IFLA program for capacity building of library association is named as. IFLA's program for capacity building of library association named as uh, BSLA. BSLA. So 61 is the right answer is A, BSLA. IFLA's program for capacity building. I think Boston Library Association. Bengal, I think Special Library Association Matan. I think Boston Special Library Association. I'm not sure, friend. Please confirm what is a BSLA defines. So IFLA's program for capacity building for library association is named as BSLA. 61 correct option A. 62. A characteristic in which information tends to leak, and the more it leaks, the more we have is the diffusive characters. Right answer is diffusive characters is the B is the right answer for 62nd question. I will repeat question once again. This is a little bit tough, we never seen before examination. 61 also earlier we not seen, but expected question in future examinations. 62 question, a characteristic in which information tends to leak, more it leaks, the more we have is diffusive characters. B is the right answer for 62 question. 63. Which of the following organizations are associated with the concept of 1000 core plan to the link 9000 libraries in India? So this is match the following type of questions, ante 1 or 2 correct, 2 3 correct, like that question. which I will repeat question once again. 63 question. Which of the following organizations are associated with the concept of 1000 core plan to link 9000 libraries in India? So establish 9000 libraries in India. First a 1000 core plan allotted by which organizations? In this question asking. So right option is 2 and 4. National Mission on Libraries and RRRLF, Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. So 2 and 4. So 63 question, D is the right option. National Mission on Libraries, NML, National Mission on Libraries, and Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. So 2, option 2 and 4 correct. So overall D is the right option for 63 question. Next question number 64. Question number 64. Which of the following does not protect intellectual property? Which one of the following does not protect intellectual property? So, intellectual property, everyone knows IPR rights. Encryption of data is the right one, and digital watermark for protection of intellectual property, digital watermark, and uniquely encoded licenses. So A, B, C correct, but in this question mentioned does not protect IPR, intellectual property rights. So plugins, D is the not related. Remaining three options are suitable for intellectual protect of intellectual property: encryption of data, uniquely encoded license, digital watermarks. So except plugins. So right answer for 64 question, not means D, plugins. So 65 question, which of the following are value added information services? Four services are given below: aggregator service, referral, document DDS service, or research reports or market survey reports. So 1 and 4 correct. Aggregator and research reports or market survey. These are value added information services, means aggregatory services and research reports, ante that means market survey reports. So 1 and 4 are correct for 65. D is the right option. 65 D right option. 66th question, who was the chairman of NAPLIS, National Policy and Library Information System? This previous question we seen so many examination earlier. Important questions. This committee formed by D.P. Chattopadhyaya in 1986. Who is the chairman? Chairman asking for NAPLIS, National Policy on Library Information Systems. Nothing but NAPLIS. It is formed in the year 1986. Who is the chairman means D.P. Chattopadhyaya. Out of four options, B is the right option for question number 66. 67th question. Identify the methods used for plagiarism detection. So four options given, friends. So terms of occurrence analysis, API testing, and citation based plagiarism detection, local similarity assessment. So which method used for plagiarism detection means 1, 3, 4 correct. Term occurrence analysis, citation based plagiarism detection, except API testing. Except API testing, remaining three methods used for plagiarism detection. So 1, 3, 4 correct, except API testing method is not used for plagiarism detection. So option B correct for 67th question. Option B is the right answer. 68th question, the significance of the year 2011 for less educational India is important application type of question, but some members, if some friends mistakenly doing this is a application oriented, because less education started in India 1911. 1911, so calculate 100 years. So significance, what is the centenary? So 100 years. So 100 years means 1911 to 2011 is the 100 years. So this is called centenary year. So in this question, what they are asking, the significance year of the 2011 is centenary year. Why? Because 1911 to 2011 is the 100 years of less education in India. So centenary year is the right option. 68th D correct answer. 69. Which of the following are main role operators of PRECIS? PRECIS everyone knows, Preserved Context Indexing System. PRECIS given by Derek Austin. PRECIS belongs to Pre-Coordinate Indexing System. What are the main role operators? So in this two options are correct, A and D. So 1 and 2 3, key system, action and performer of the action also correct. 2 3 1 also correct. So this options given criteria is wrong, so that's why final key suggested A and D options both are correct. Key system except form of document ante form of fourth option form of document, remaining three are main role operator of freeze action, performer of action, key systems are main role operators in three role operators in precise. How many role operators in precise means three: action, performance of action, key systems except perform of document. So A and D options correct, because options given criteria is wrong, that's why A and D correct. So 69 A D correct, the underline one is the right answers. So 70th question, which of the following is classified catalog? Which of the following is classified catalog means A, B, C. All options are correct. An author title file, subject file arranged by library classification, an alphabetical index to the subject file. These three all are correct. Author title file, subject file arranged by library classification, an alphabetical index to the subject file. These three options are correct for classified catalog. 70th question, D is the right option. Next question number 71, the main components of RFID system. So four options given. What are the components belongs to the RFID system? RFID system, everyone knows, radio frequency identity detection system. So identification detection. So RFID using very costly and special libraries especially. So in this RFID components are RFID tags, readers or sensors, antenna and server. Four components is there. The reader, sensor both are same. So reading or sensor, RFID tag, antenna, server, and sensor. So B 71 B is the right answer. 72, which of the following is not a component of search engine? Search engine have some components, but in this question not a component of search engine means natural language is not a component in search engine, because spider is a part of search engine component in search engine, index is a search engine component, search retrieval mechanism also related to search engine, but except natural language technique, D is the not related to search engine component. 72 D is the right option. 73, communities is the component of following digital library software. DSpace friends is easy one, but a little bit variation. Those who are working in libraries, institutional softwares, institutional repository, DSpace e-prints are institutional repository software. Those who are application type of question, though working library professionals easily find out these answers. Communities option is a component majorly in DSpace. Okay, 73 B correct answer. 74, the uh, concept of reference service is given by Shamil Green. So of four options, out of four options, D is the right option. Concept of reference service given by Shamil Green. So reference service given by Shamil Green. 74 out of four option, D correct answer. 75, a dictionary of national biography. Dictionary of this difficult question never seen before. DNB means dictionary of national biography. Dictionary of national biography contains of biography of prominent people of. Dictionary of national biography is a biography prominent people of Britishers. Britishers is the right answer friends. 75 out of 4 options given Europeans, American, Britishers, all nations, Britishers, the correct answer. 76th question, citation indexes are now available online as. Citation indexes are now available online as. Citation index now available Scopus. Right answer is Scopus friends. So C is the right answer. Citation index now available as Scopus, and citation indexing also, Web of Science also available. So I think A and C both are correct, but Please check a little bit out, friends. Scopus also 100% correct answer. I think Web of Science also. Citation indexing we will find through nothing but G10, I index, I10, G index, H index. These are all are citation indexing. These I think find out through Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholar. I think so. In this question given Scopus and Web of Science, but my answer is Scopus, but I am little bit doubt about Web of Science also correct. So please cross check, those who are watching my paper, please check it once. Next question number 77. Which of the following is free audio book site? Everyone knows the previous question. eBrary is a famous ebook downloading site. eBrary is a electronic library for ebooks. eBrary option A is for electronic. So here asking free audio book site means LibriVox. LibriVox C is the right option for question number 77. C is the right answer. Next, friends, question number 78. The online version of McGraw-Hill Encyclopedia of Science and Technology is online version. Now it is available online. McGraw-Hill Encyclopedia of Science and Technology. It is available online. It is called Access Science. So 78th A option is correct. Access Science is the right answer. Science and technology means science, and access of science it is available online, so access science. A correct answer. 78th question. 79th question. Indian National Bibliography, AINB, arranged under two parts, general publication and what is the another part, government publication. 79 C is the right option. Indian INB, Indian National Bibliography, is arranged under two parts, general publication and government publication. INB and BNB, British National Bibliography, one more is there. INB published 1957. So INB arranged in two parts, government and general publication. So C correct answer. 88th question. Question number 80. Books unknown or doubtful authorship. No, apocryphal books. Apocryphal. Apocryphal books. Apocryphal books. Books are unknown and doubtful authorship means apocryphal books. Blue books are government official books, and incunabula books are incunabula is a books printed before 1500 AD. That's incunabula. So apocryphal books are unknown authorship known as. C is the right answer. 80 C. 81. Which of the following are reasons for obsolescence of information? So this is a matched type of questions. Which of the following are reasons for obsolescence of information means 1 and 4 correct. Information is considered invalid. That is called obsolescence of information. Information considered invalid, and information valid but inadequate for exploration. Inadequate for exploration. Information is valid but inadequate for exploration. So 1 and 4 are correct reason for obsolescence of information. In 82, option 81 C correct answer. 82, which is not near synonym term of information. So information which is not related term, given four terms, which term is not related to information. Idea is a one type of information, data part of information, fact is a information, catalog is not related to information, it's a library related one, catalog. So through elimination we can easily find out. It's a easy question. 82 is the right answer is catalog. Except catalog, remaining are all synonym terms of information, ideas, data, facts. So question number 83. Public Library Manifesto developed by UNESCO is previous bit easy one. Public Library Manifesto developed by UNESCO in the year 1949, I think. So amended so many times. So manifesto developed by United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization, UNESCO. So 83 previous question. 83B is the right answer. 84. An e-book which does not require an internet connection, it access its contents, is called. E-book which does not require, e-books means electronic book, which does not require an internet connection to access its contents, called digital book. D is the right option. 84. D correct option. Out of 4 options, web book, palm book, electronic ink book given. D digital book, it is called digital book. 85 question number. An indispensable indispensable function of thesaurus is indispensable function of thesaurus is 85. B is the right option. 2 and 3. Grouping the words to words together according similarity of meaning, and 3 representation relation between concepts. So 81 85B is the right answer. Grouping the words together according to similarity of meaning, representation of relationship between concepts. So 2 and 3 correct. 85B is the overall correct answer. 86th, identify the techniques to collect the data regarding the number of persons visited to periodical section of the library different hours in a day. It's called 3 and 4, observation and library record. Any application type, any library maintaining a library visitors attendance register, those who are entering the library, before entering entrance, point of entrance, we are keeping library at record, that is a library visitors record. So in this question asking data regarding number of persons visitor in a periodical section of the library at different hours of a day through observation and library records. So 3 and 4 correct. Overall 86. C option correct answer. C. Answer C is the right answer for 86th question. 87. Which of the following are prohibited under copyright? Everyone knows Copyright Act is in the year 1957. Copyright amended so many times. In 1994 also amended. Copyright is copying someone own rights. Copyright after అంటే up to uh, death of the after 60 years after death of the author. Copyright time is 60 years after death of the author. So so sorry friends, 87th question I will repeat once again. Which of the following are prohibited under copyright? So 1 2 4 are correct. So downloading a document, printing multiple copies is prohibited, because downloading a document and make it this is copyright issue. So 2 is placing a copyright protected document on web server. When someone own rights, we are downloading and keep it some other servers, that is also copyright problem. So 2 also. And it's 4, downloading a document without license use and emailing it, this is also prohibited. So 1 to 4 are prohibited under copyright laws. And third one is downloading a document and save it, it's not a problem. So except third option 3, remaining all are prohibited under Copyright Act. So 87th D 1 to 4 are correct. 87 D option is correct. 88, the professional ethics helps to professional ethics helps to 1 and 2 correct. Get right direction, enhance image. Professional ethics helps to get right direction and enhance image. Professional ethics are useful. 88 question, option C is the right answer. Question number 88, option C correct answer. Question number 89. Which of the following are common types of protocols? Which are the common type of protocols are 1, 2, 3. HTTP, FTP and Telnet. Not a Gopher. Gopher except Gopher, remaining all are common type of hypertext transfer protocol, file transfer protocol, Telnet telecommunication network protocol. So 89 1 2 3 correct. 89 option D is the right answer. Question number 90. Arrange the following in chronological order according to their year of establishment. So 4 organizations given below are 4 options. So they are formation year arranged according chronological order. So Library of Congress, NISCA 2002, Delivery of Books Act 1954, National Library of India 1948. So according to this one, Library Congress is started first, and fourth National Library 1948 second, and next third one is Delivery Books of 1954. Last one is NISCARE 2002. INSDAC and NISCOM became NISCARE So everyone knows NISCARE gives ISSN number. It's located at Delhi. ISSN number consists of 8 digits, 8 numbers. So C option is correct. 90th question C 1, 4, 3, 2. This is the chronological order of their establishment year. So question number 91. Which libraries are functioning as a depository libraries? So, which library functioning as a depository libraries? 1 and 2 correct. Delhi Library and Kannamera Library. Delhi Public Library and Kannamera Library. So, Kannamera Library at Chennai Central Reference Library at Mumbai, I think, and British Council Library and Delhi Public Library located at Delhi. Delhi Public Library and Kannamera Public Library. Out of 4 options, these two are working functioning as a depository libraries. Kannamera Public Library is located at Chennai. Delhi Public Library, Delhi. So 1 and 2 are the right answers. So option C is the right one. 92. Question number 92. Which of the following are inclusive geographical sources? Inclusive geographical sources are maps and atlas. Encyclopedic yearbooks, not a say inclusive geographical sources are maps and atlases. So 1 and 2 correct. 92 A is the right option. 93. Arrange the following according their year of enactment in the year in India. Again 4 options given. When they are formed according, please arrange in chronological order. So Freedom of Information Act, Right to Information Act RTI, everyone knows 2005. Copyright Act revised, it is asking Copyright Act, everyone knows 1957 but revised in 2002 latest. So IT Information Technology Act 2000. So one Freedom of Information Act is a first one, and 4 is Information Technology Act 2000. Next Copyright Act revised means last 2000. So and Right to Information Act 2005. So I think right answer is 1, 4, 2, 3 is the right answer. 93 D is the right option. 94. What are the 4 entities in FRBR? Functional requirement of bibliographic record. FRBR is a functional requirement of bibliographic record. FRBR consists of 4 entities, that is work, expression, manifestation, item. So friends, this is important question, expected question, future examinations also, previous question in UGC NET exam. FRBR means functional requirement of bibliographic record, consists of work, manifestation, work, expression, manifestation, item. We manifestation. So C is the right option for 94 question. Question number 95. Appropriate communication media for CD net. So out of 4 options, twisted wires, optical fiber, coaxial cables, Ethernet cables. So optical fiber is the right answer for question number 95. Appropriate communication media for CDNet is optical fiber. 95B. 96. National Library for Visually Handicapped located at important one, National Library of Visually Handicapped located Dehradun. 97th assertion reasonable type of question, friends. This is a little bit of application uses in a previous examination also. This previous question, information literacy is a necessary for users. This is a assertion statement. Information literacy is a necessary for users. Assertion statement. Reason is it promotes the use of libraries and information sets. It promotes the use of libraries information. So both A and B are true. So option A correct. Out of 4 options, both statements are correct. A and B both. So assertion and reason both are true. 97. A correct option. 98. Which one of the sequence is a ascending order? So ascending order, 4 options given. This byte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte is the right answer. This is a correct ascending answer. So small to big. So అంటే స్టోరేజ్ కెపాసిటీ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ స్టోరేజ్, లో టు హై స్టోరేజ్ కెపాసిటీ, లో టు హై. బైట్ 8 bits called byte. So megabyte, kilobyte, gigabyte and terabyte. Last is yottabyte. Jottabyte. Next yottabyte. Yotta is the highest one. Yottabyte is the highest. So byte, megabyte, giga and terabyte. Byte 8 bits called 1 Nibble means 4 bits called nibble. So next question number 98 be correct answer. Question number 99 assertion and reasonable type of question. Assertion statement telling book selection must be done judiciously. Book selection must done judiciously. And next reasonable question is researching is a need of the day. Researching, these also previous news net examination question. So both the AR assertion and reason statement are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. So both are different one. Both the statement correct, but are not a explanation of A. So C, option C is the right one. 99 option C. Both A are assertion and reasonable statements true, but R is not a correct explanation of A, because A statement telling book selection is must be done judiciously, and B statement R statement is telling resource sharing is need of the day. So individually both the statement correct, but R never are not supports to A. Next 100 question number 100 conversion of barcode into electronic signals. Conversion of barcode into electronic signals usually called as scanners. 100 questions. Question number 100, this is the last question. Conversion of barcode into electronic signals done by scanner. Scanner is the right option. That's underline one. Option A correct answer for question number 100. So friend, this is Atomic Energy Educational Society post of librarian examination question paper. In this question paper part B 50 question number 50 to 100. So total 50 questions covered in library information. Remaining is mathematical, GK, current affairs, English and Hindi. So I am explaining only library science related question answers only. So friends, viewers, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, please share any your professional groups. It's very useful for upcoming library examinations, those who are preparing very hard. So please watch my channel, please subscribe, and please click on bell icon friends. uh, till today I am uploaded 15 question paper various examinations in the field of library science. I will upload more question papers also soon. So uh, wish you all the best friends, those who are preparing competitive library aspirants. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.